In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First, launch Settings and scroll to hit Accounts available here. Now select Open under Google, and when you're ready, click on Google Password Manager. Now select any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock and click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. If it's too long, select Edit and check it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!